Hi everybody, so today we are going to make some sort of a salad.
Okay.
Not some sort of a salad. I guess, what am I going to call it? A maple Dijon vegetable salad. It's a side dish. And I think if you follow us on Instagram, you've probably seen that V and I both have had like cucumber tomato type salads with just some seasoned balsamic on top, a little bit of salt and pepper, which is delicious. But this is another alternative, because I know if you're following the Starch Solution like we are, and you're trying to have half starchy vegetables and half non-starchy vegetables, you know, sometimes it's hard to find those non-starchy vegetable side dishes that are quick and easy to go with your main meal. So this is one of them. And all I have here is one head of romaine lettuce that I've chopped up pretty small. To that, I'm going to add a half of a purple onion and a half of an orange bell pepper.
Creating the rainbow there?
Yeah. And then I have one large English cucumber chopped up. My favorite, you know. I love. If you follow us on Instagram, you know that we eat cucumbers a lot. And then I have a small container of different cherry tomatoes that I have just chopped up. Larger pieces, but
they're so good this time of the year.
I know. And you can get them fresh at the farmer's market too. These were not from the farmer's market, but you can get them fresh. And then I have just one can of rinsed chickpeas, garbanzo beans. I'm going to add that.
We're going to need a bigger bowl, aren't we?
That's all right. I'll see if I can make it work. I don't know. And then my dressing is going to be the maple mustard dressing. And so I use a Dijon mustard, and you're just going to do half and half, 50-50. With the mustard, and then half maple syrup, and I usually keep a small jar of this in my refrigerator because it's good anytime.
No salt and pepper?
I will add some, yeah. I'm going to mix it up first. And then you mix it up and it makes a nice dressing. And I'm just going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper to it. Not much, because I figure people can always salt their food if they want it more salty, but it's hard to take it out. So about 1/4 of a teaspoon each. And then I'm going to drizzle it over the top. And this, like I said, is a great dressing to have in your refrigerator. It keeps for a long time because it's maple syrup and Dijon mustard. Although you could use, if you like spicy mustards, you could use a spicy mustard or something, or just a yellow mustard with it. Whoop. Get the spoon here. See if I can mix it up real well. Oops. A cucumber jumped ship. It's like, no, you're not taking me alive. There. It's actually really good. And that is what it looks like when it's done. And the dressing is delicious. I mean, I really like it.
Yeah.
Do you use a maple mustard
I do.
Dressing?
It kind of gives you that honey mustard kind of.
That flavor.
Yeah. So and I like it because the maple syrup kind of adds like a smoky touch to it. So it tastes really good.
Yeah, I really like it too.
Yeah.
And I know V is cooking dal, so we are going to have the dal, and we'll have this on the side, and that'll make our 50-50 plate. So if you're ever needing something that is vegetable and is really quick, this is great.
Yeah.
Put any kind of vegetables together and then put that maple mustard dressing on top, and it comes out delicious every time. And I added lettuce in here just to give it some more veggie content with the romaine lettuce. But it is delicious. So we're going to sit down here in a few minutes and eat. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Make sure you subscribe down below and hit that little notification bell. And then follow us also on Instagram so you can see what we eat every day of the week, or K Vegans on Instagram. And then also check us out on Facebook. We're Kindred Vegans on Facebook. And so thank you for tuning in today. Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, guys.